Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender for fiber optic cable installation in Uzbekistan. The Uzbekistan National Power Grid is issuing an invitation for bids for the design, procurement, and installation of fiber optic cables in the Tashkent city in Tashkent region. This project, identified as P171683 under the Electricity Sector Transformation and Resilient Transmission (ESTART) project, is being financed by the World Bank. The tender, numbered OP00338235, seeks bids for the installation of approximately 333 kilometers of OPGW, UGFOC, and OFAC cables. Bids are due by April 1, 2025, at 11 o'clock local time, and the notice was published on February 7, 2025. Eligible bidders must meet specific qualifications, demonstrating experience as a prime or subcontractor over the last 5 years, with at least one project valued at $3 million in power sector construction projects that have been satisfactorily and substantially completed. Bidders must also demonstrate experience with OPGW installation, financial stability, and experience in managing ES aspects. Financial requirements include a minimum average annual turnover of $8 million and availability of liquid assets of $950,000. The contact person for inquiries is Uygun Ergashev, and the organization is the Uzbekistan National Power Grid.